Good day, I'm Bernadette Baltasar of BSMT 3Y1-1. Trade war looms as China hits back at Trump tariffs. Beijing targets three biggest U.S. imports. President Trump, the U.S. government implemented a significant change in trade policy by imposing tariffs on $50 billion worth of Chinese imports. This decision was driven by concerns regarding the increasing cost of Chinese products in the U.S. market, which many American businesses believe were becoming uncompetitive. The administration's objective was to safeguard domestic industries and promote the purchase of American-made goods. However, this action prompted a swift response from China, which retaliated by announcing
China's
tariffs
retaliatory
on equivalent $50
measures
billion
were
worth
carefully
of American
targeted at key
exports.
U.S. exports, including soybeans, automobiles, aircraft, and various agricultural products such as cotton, wheat, and corn. This targeting was especially notable as many of these goods were produced in states that had strongly supported Trump during the 2016 presidential election. By focusing on these specific exports, China aimed to apply economic pressures on the U.S. while influencing political dynamics within the states that were crucial to Trump's electoral base. This strategy highlights the intricate relationship between economic policy and domestic politics, demonstrating how trade actions can be used to impact political outcomes. As these trade tensions intensified, worries began to surface about the potential for a full-scale trade war between the two economic giants. Economists and industry leaders expressed concerns that an ongoing escalation of tariffs could lead to negative consequences not just for the U.S. and Chinese economies but also for the global economy. The prevailing fear was the increasing trade barriers would disrupt supply chains, the inflate consumer prices, and trigger further retaliatory actions, creating a cycle of economic conflict that could spiral out of control. In response, the aggressive stance taken by the Trump administration, the Chinese government adopted a resolute position, insisting that attempts to pressure China would ultimately be ineffective. This stance reflected a broader belief in China's capacity to endure economic challenges and a commitment to its own economic interests. Chinese officials emphasized their resilience and readiness to engage in a prolonged economic struggle if necessary, showcasing their determined to protect their economy from external pressure. Despite the mounting tensions, both nations understood the critical importance of avoiding a full-blown trade war. The tariffs that had been proposed were not slated to take effect immediately, which created a crucial window to dialogue and negotiation. Both the U.S. and China acknowledged the need to reach an agreement that could alleviate the adverse effect of impending tariffs. Diplomatic channels remained open, and discussions were encouraged to find a path forward that would allow both countries to address their respective concerns without resorting to extreme measures that could harm their economies. Thank you.